unfair platformer. Jesus Christ, this intro song is terrible. It's pretty famous, just like Cat Mario, if you remember that game. I never got a chance to play it. I pretty much know what I'm expecting. But yeah, let's try this. I'm gonna try to keep my cool. I'm pretty good at keeping my cool, so it shouldn't be a problem. I like how she jumps like a fucking dragon or some shit. Use the arrow keys or alright, fine. Do mountain. Well, these message boxes always tell the truth. Okay. Thank you for telling me the truth. So, how the fuck does she jump anyway? That's stupid. Okay, there we go. That was close! Stupid game, this is a trap. Well, that means it's probably a... But, so is that. God damn it! Alright, so far, not so bad. I'm okay. I'm okay with it. Hop! Blah. There we go. Also, this game has traps in it. Thank you for Wonderful. Wonderful. This is fine. Cat Mario This game has nothing on Cat Mario. Nothing. It's bullshit. Alright. Blue flags are checkpoint. Alright, cool. Hallelujah. Okay. Fucking easy. Seriously though, what's the problem with it? Seriously though, what's the problem with this game? What? Alright, what do I do here? Oh, okay. The thing is, I'm not really good at platforming games. I'm actually quite terrible. And that could be a problem. Not for like... Ah, come on, man. I immediately regret this decision. Fuck you. Alright, here we go. There we go. Alright. I got this. Fuck! Well, the music is good at least. Run! Come on, bitch! Don't Cat Mario me, bitch.